Hey you, it's Jess here and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going through my August kit lineup and we're going to be transitioning from summer to autumn through this month because August isn't very long, like summery. September is pretty much autumn here in Finland, so we're going to be transitioning this month. So the first week, I don't actually remember if I had this included in my July lineup. So I'm sorry if I did. We're just going to go over it again, just in case. This is July 29th through August 4th, and this is the Miami kit. I did want to use it this year because I thought it was just a fun summer set. I did, if you saw my sticker haul just now, I bought a second one of these so I could hoard it for GTA 6. But yeah, so I've got all the bits and pieces here. I just love these colors so much that I really wanted to use it this year for the end of summer. So I don't think I'll be bringing in the GTA 6 box. I'm just going to keep waiting for that, but it shouldn't be too much longer. I think it's supposed to be 2026, which, you know, time flies by. We're doing August right now, so you never know. So I'm pairing this with a Planet Choco lot of foil in the Dusty Pink Hollow. I wasn't sure what foil colors would match the best, but I think this one is nice with the pink. But it has the touch of hollow. It definitely gives me a little bit of the vaporwave vibes. So I did pick up this summer quote box, and I think I'm going to use "See You Soon" with the triangle and the palm trees in the sunset because that felt very vaporwavy. We have the beach cluster deco. And then I got the beach bundle. I won't be using this box with the beach vibes because I feel like the text doesn't really go with the kit, but I thought this would go well because you have the palm trees and the dolphins and things, and I just have the bougie dot underlays to go with them. But that is the pretty much like the last proper summer set. We still have a little bit in here, but this is like the last beachy, pooly one. So then we have August 5th through the 11th, and August 6th is Lock and Eye's anniversary. We started going out, it's going to be 18 years, this anniversary. We started going out in August 6th of 2006, so that's kind of nuts. But I decided I would bring in this January Caress Press mystery called Love Brunch, because it's perfect for the time of the year, and also, you know, it's lovey-dovey. And I thought this would be perfect for our anniversary, so I did keep it for that instead of Valentine's Day. And I love these colors, and I feel like with this addition of this like peachy orange apricot, it feels like it's still summer, but we're beginning to get into autumn feels kind of effect. And I love this blue with it too. I really debated on, I love this super soft bottom washi, and the girls, ugh, Dusk can do no wrong in my eyes. I love Dusk so much. Her art is like, I'm always like, it's so much better than mine. But anyway, that's subjective. But I really struggled with what foil to bring this, but I decided I wanted to keep the foil simple to really highlight the beautiful art. So I decided to go with silver. I'm going to use this old Daisy bundle from Caress Press. So old ones, like she only had 8 boxes, so I have to bring in some extras. We have the little daisy pattern, the old sheets, and then we have the bougie boxes. So I did pick up, usually I use 10 boxes, so I brought in these leftover heart overlays from Caress Press. I just need 2 of them, so, because 8, 9, 10. So that'll be perfect. And I thought throwing some couple of hearts in here won't hurt. I'll put one on each page, so it still mixes in. I decided I might, if I find room where I want to put a quote, I'll probably choose one of these customs that I got from Planet Hannah. These are all from Brandon Sanderson books, which we both really enjoy. I was thinking either life breaks us Teft, then we fill the cracks with something stronger. We both love Teft, and also like I feel like it's kind of a relationship thing. And the things that we've been through, or I would do the You're the Wind, You're the Stars, You're All Endless Things. Because even though that was, like, it wasn't a romantic line in the book, it's kind of romantic, right? So I won't spoil that because that's a line from the end of a series, so I won't explain the context of that line. But I think it's very beautiful. And then the deco bits that come with the daisy set are kind of big. So I thought I'd bring in these old Scribble Prints Co ones. I've got these little hearts, again, to bring in some more hearts. So make it, you know, it's love brunch. But then also some of these little twinkle bits, just so I can spread a few more, and then because I don't want it to be filled with hearts and daisies, so I thought that would be nice. But I thought the silver would just like, it'd be a nice shine on it, but it wouldn't like take away from the art by having a particular color. But that is that week for our anniversary. Then August 12th, the 18th, I think this is officially my last summer kit. This is Sunshine. This was like my second summer art of the year, and I feel like this also kind of has end of summer feelings because you have like, it's kind of sunsetting, but you got like the nice treats of watermelon and strawberry and just relaxing at home summer vibes. But I feel like with like, you know, you're wearing also the bigger tops, it's becoming the end of summer in this set to me. So this is what I'm gonna use. That's my last summer art. And then I'm going to put rose. This is a light rose foil bundle from SPC. Yeah, so this is not quite rose, it's a light rose. But I think that'll look really pretty with this. Just gives that warm pink color. And then it needs, I just brought in these rose hole reinforcers because it needs those with this bundle. But that is everything, keeping it simple. The rest of my foil, with this go around is very, very simple, but I think it's just better that way sometimes. But that is Sunshine. Then I decided to do an anytime kit, and I used this last year. I think I released it last year, so, but I didn't use it this year, so I'm going to use it again. It's Moonlight Gamer. It's like my Sailor Moon inspired gaming art, and just has some really cute, like, you know, as the aesthetic gamer look about it, and I am definitely a gamer, so I wanted to use this again. I've been gaming a lot recently, so yeah, I wanted to pull this in and use it again. I thought this would be a nice, like, again, transition to autumn. But I was also like, I'm just going to use this anytime, which is now. So that's my extra version of it, so I don't have any extra, like, fashion people or anything, but I got plenty of boxes here. And I'm going to pair this with one of the new foils, the new purple foil from SPC. So this is a new format, so it has hole reinforcers. But I thought this purple went pretty well with this set. I think last time I used it, I used maybe Periwinkle in the Celestial design. So I think this time I'm going to go purple. I think it's going to look really cute. So that's my fun week. This is August 19th to the 25th. And then we're getting into autumn. And this is a set from last year that I really wanted to bring in. This is August 26th to September 1st. And this is the week that Rings of Power comes back. So the new season of Rings of Power. But I didn't really want to, I've got Golden Woods. This is sort of my Rings of Power / fantasy art. So I did want to use that for the new season, but I think I'm going to do it for a couple of episodes later because I feel like this is super autumn, and this is sort of, we're still transitioning to autumn. So I'm going to use this one called Autumn Mysteries from last year. It's like a bookish, it's a bookish full kit, but it's also kind of like, makes me think of London and Sherlock Holmes, as you'll see with one of the fashion people. But I think that still works for Rings of Power because it's bookish. You know, it's based off books. But you see one of the fashion people here, she looks like Sherlock Holmes. Yeah, so I wanted to use this because it's slightly lighter in color, and it's not so in your face autumn like Golden Woods is. So this is when Rings of Power Season 2 comes out, but I'm going to use Golden Woods later in the month for a later episode. And I'm going to pair this with the Matte Bronze Leaves bundle from SPC. This just came with the July Mystery, and I thought I would use it for this instead because I thought the matte bronze looked really nice and soft with this. The only thing is I swapped out the Leaves fun delays for just bougie boxes because Andrea does sell matte bronze bougie boxes by themselves, so I just swapped those out. And then this is the nice new page design as well. It was just a bit too many leaves for me with the underlays, so I'm glad I could swap that out and use this bundle with this kit. But I think that'll be really nice because the matte bronze is like still, again, we're leaning into fall. Autumn is beginning. And then September we're gonna go full autumn. So, but that is my August lineup. I think it's really fun. I do like the bright colors. And they just have something wacky in it. And then I like the still a light autumn to go with it. But that is my lineup for August. Let me know what you thought. Let me know what you're using this August. Are we twinning it all? I don't know, maybe. Let me know, are you also changing to autumn this month, or are you still like full summer for this month? Let me know. But otherwise, I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and like and subscribe. That is what a thumbs up is. Like and subscribe and comment below. But otherwise, I hope you have a wonderful day and I'll see you next time. Bye bye. I love you. Bye bye.